I don't need to come here. Like, literally this TJMaxx is 15 minutes away from where I live, guys. It's really bad. Hi guys, welcome back. Hi, we're in a different setup here. Hello. Ignore me. I make YouTube videos, so like just ignore me casually. My name is Rose if you're new. So in today's video, we are heading to TJMaxx. So usually at TJMaxx, there's a lot of different makeup deals. You get so much high-end, more expensive makeup for so much cheaper. You might have to go to your local TJMaxx after today's video. So let's begin. We are here. Super excited. Oh my god, there's so much to look at. I just don't know where to start. There's so much. There's so much. I found that Kat Von D powder. That's so amazing. Whoa, the Kat Von D Lock-It Brightening Powder is here, and it's, wait for it, $9. All right, let's see if we can find the Kat Von D powder in like another shade, like golden maybe. Here's golden. Here we go. You guys, there's NARS, the Becca Ageless Foundation. It's for $12.99, guys. $12.99. Bare Minerals. Now these are a bit more expensive for my taste. Estee Lauder blush for $6. What is life? Wow. Too Faced Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar. And they have the Smashbox. This is the Photo Matte Eyes palette. Wow. Someone opened this. Why do they have to do Becca like that? Look at it, guys. Look at it. Glam Glow. Oh my gosh. It's $15. This is the Flawless Body Applicator Sponge by Bella Beauty. Okay. Anastacio Contour Cream Kit. I'm so excited. Literally, Anastasia Contour Cream Kit. This is amazing. This is $20 and usually I think it's like $40. It's the best thing ever. Like, I don't need to come here. Like, literally this TJMaxx is 15 minutes away from where I live, guys. It's really bad. There's also some Stila foundations, and guys, they're $7.99, okay? $7.99 for this foundation, which is probably like $25, $35. There's MAC here, literally. Let's look what this is. This is a MAC in a box. It's $22.99. It doesn't really tell you what you get into it, but that's so amazing. Paris Hilton. Hello, hi girl. What else? Wow, they have Vegas May. Oh my god, this is like so bad for the wallet. Sweet. I love this. Okay. Darn. Yikes. Hopefully it's not broken. Let's check. Nope, we're still good. We're still good to go. Put it in. There we go. Wow, this looks really good, and it's just $3.99. Let me tell you what it is. So it's a color corrector by Ellen Tracy. $3.99. Don't mind if I do. I might even get two. All right, that's too much. OMG. OMG. Y'all, there's NARS eyeshadows here, which is amazing, and they retail for $7, $6.99. So look at these prices, guys. Like, There's also Kat Von D eyeshadows. There's the Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick. Oh my god, what color is this in? Let's see. Oh, it's like the more neutral one. That's more for fair skin tones. I wonder if they have deeper, darker skin tones in this foundation palette. Like, let's see, because you know, when we go to the stores, they usually don't. Ooh, I see Bronzer Beauty. Oh, this is a bronzer. I want this. $2.99. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, I don't see the foundation palette. I don't see any in deep dark or deep. Alright. Okay, I need this right here. Literally. Bronze Beauty. I need it. It's $2.99. I think I'm gonna get two of it because it's just that amazing. There we go. My cart's getting a little bit overflow. No bueno. No bueno for my wallet at all. There is more Smashbox in the house. Then we also have, what else do we have over here? Well, this looks like a cute little kit too. This is from Estee Lauder. It's $17.99 though. Not in my budget. Tip for today, this is a mirror. I guess this is maybe Paris Hilton makeup. Yeah, I think this is Paris Hilton makeup. It's $4.99. Have you guys ever tried Paris Hilton makeup? I haven't. There's Makeup Revolution palettes too. How much are these? They're $5.99, which is really good. Wow. But let's open it because it's open. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Wow, this is beautiful. Although I don't need any more eyeshadows. Oh my god. We have a Lancome blush palette right here. Because Sleek Makeup has great makeup, and this is $5. You can't win. You can't win anymore. You can't win anymore. Oh my god. Oh my god. Anastasia eyeshadows. Okay. Okay. Let's see how much it is. Please, Lord, give it $4.99. How much deals I'm getting right now? Like $4.99 for this Anastasia eyeshadow. Like, what is life? The Pixie foundation is here. It's $3.99. It probably looks like you don't have my color. I will keep it moving, you know. Ooh, Gigi Hadid x Maybelline, $4. Hello. That's great. Hello, hello, hello. Absolute New York. I love this brand. The BH Cosmetics brushes here. Hello, I love BH. How much are they? They're $14. They're not bad. $14.99 for those. Ooh, Real Techniques right here. Yes, Sam and Mick. I love them. They're so sweet. $3.99 for these two sponges. That's bomb, because now they're like usually so much more expensive. You know, if you want to do your toenails at home, they got some toenail stuff. Like, someone opened that lip. Like, come on. I feel so bad. Like, I don't like opening stuff and like touching it, especially because I know some other people would get it unless I'm like really want it and get it. Ooh, this is Kat Von D Color Correct eyeshadow primer. This looks really good. It's opened. There's lashes. So if you're a lash girl like me that loves lashes, definitely check it out. We have L'Oreal here. Hello, the Infallible sponge. Yes, lashes. There's Salon Perfect lashes. Yes. I know Kelly Stark loves these lashes. Mini mascara. Hello. Where do I start? That's the first question. Love this mascara and I just found it. I'm so excited. Smashbox Camera Ready CC Cream. I just found an Anastacio liquid lipstick. So if you love the brand Lorac, you should definitely come here. They have so many Lorac products. Unbelievable. Peter Thomas Roth for $30 when it's like 50 or 60. Makeup wipe. Okay. Now I need to decide what should I get. Okay, next we have Skincare Heaven. Literally. Okay, this is where I found my Advanced Clinicals tea tree ointment at, I think I got it at Marshall's. What they might have it here, so we're gonna look through and see if we can find it because I want to get it so badly. Literally, I want it so badly, so let's see. Okay, let's just get through this. If I see any brands that I know, see, I shop on a budget and $29 is so expensive, so I know you Clinique, but you definitely can lower it just a little bit. Lovely, beautiful. What's your name? Laura. Laura's helping me out, okay? I'm trying to find this Advanced Clinical. Like, I see Advanced Clinical right here. I see it like right here, somewhere around there here, but I just can't find the tea tree oil one. Oh boy, no. Couldn't find Advanced Clinical, so we're gonna go with this brand, which is Bloom. I think it's Blue. I don't know, but we're gonna try it, okay? Okay. Thank you so much for your help. You're the best. Thanks. Enjoy the rest of your day. Come back soon. Yay! Alright guys, here's all the clearance makeup. Ooh, yes. Eyeliner from CoverGirl. This palette is $7. What is life?
Hello YouTube!
Hi. What's your name?
Jeremiah.
Hi Jeremiah. Alright guys, so I just got out of TJMaxx and we got some good stuff here. Okay, you guys, they had Anastacio, they had Kat Von D, they had Estee Lauder, they had Pixie, they had Maybelline, they had L'Oreal, they had all kind of brands. Also Lorac. They had so much Lorac. Definitely go check out your local TJMaxx. Maybe you'll get some amazing deals. Like, oh my gosh, amazing. But I love you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see me check out Marshall's or maybe Bed Bath & Beyond or something else, or maybe another TJMaxx in my area in New York City. Also, make sure you subscribe down below. I love you guys so much, and we're gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.